Big data is the technology defining the first half of the 21st century. It is the merging of scientific supercomputing with commercial application. In this video, we'll put big data into perspective by understanding the range and the extent of its impact on the modern world. Let's get started. Big data is and will affect everything and everyone, not just those in technology, but everyone in the world. Let's look at some of the most immediate impacts to IT jobs, to the data center, to how we create knowledge, its impact to business, and perhaps most importantly, the impact to global culture. Regarding IT jobs, I believe it will completely redefine our technology job descriptions in IT. Many of the current jobs will become outmoded, but at the same time, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of new careers are going to become available. They will all be great high-paying jobs that will be rewarding and challenging. Regarding the enterprise data center, it's already being dramatically changed and is undergoing the kind of revolutionary change we only see in a generation. Big data's impact in terms of technology in use, in operations, and in relationship to the business affects every single data center on the planet. And the impact to the way we gather and decide knowledge is incredible. It is absolutely incredibly powerful the way we can create new knowledge with big data. It's completely changing how we collect, analyze, and gain insights. It is directly responsible for an acceleration of knowledge in all aspects of our lives, from research to government to business. And in regards to business, I can only say it's having unpredictable disruptions to our industry, government, and research. Because data touches every industry, and everywhere there is data flowing, big data will be there. I believe a number of long-standing industries will undergo rapid and broad-scale changes as big data changes the competitive landscape. I also particularly believe that it's going to completely change the way data flows throughout the globe. I'm going to advance a concept called global data fabric, and I believe that it's conceivable we will be able to create planetary-level file systems that map all the world's data for use by advanced computing systems. Now, let's take a look at what we really do mean by big data. And here's the real answer. Big data is supercomputing. First, the primary technology of big data has been in use for a few decades. We call it supercomputing. And initially, it was reserved for very select use, such as scientific forecasting of weather. The use of clustering, parallel processing, and distributed file systems is well understood, but was out of reach for commercial use. But today,